What is up, guys? Welcome to the video. You guys have already seen what this is, guys. I know everything has been rough lately. The markets have been harder than ever, it seems like. So I'm going to give you the exact strategy that I've been using to just day trade, not swing trade. I'm not giving away my swing trade strategy, but my day trade strategy that I've been using day in and day out to make money. 2 weeks ago, I made like 15 grand. Last week, I made like 4,000. This week, I made 4,500. The week before those, I made like, I think it was close to 20 grand. So with that being said, I'm going to give you the exact strategy, but just so you guys all know before we jump onto the computer, read this. Nobody cares, work harder. Because if you guys don't put in a little bit of work, these strategies mean nothing and they still don't work. So with that being said, I want to go on ahead, jump into the computer and show you guys exactly how this strategy works. No bait and clicks or whatever, or sign your email here. No, I'm giving this 110% free. I gave it away free last night on my live session on Instagram. If you guys don't follow my Instagram, go on ahead. I go live at least 3 to 5 times a week. Go on ahead, follow that. I give out free info all the time. But let's get into this video where I'm going to explain the exact strategy. And this is simple, guys, so all of you guys can do it. So let's jump into the computer. I've been getting dirty money. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. What is going on, guys? Now that we're here on the computer, I'm going to show you two different charts. Obviously, we have Apple over here and we have Amazon over here. So this strategy does not work for absolutely every single stock out there. I just want to make that very clear to you all. What it does work on, though, is it works really, really well on Apple and it works really well on Amazon. I have not tested it out 100% on SPY. It does seem to look like it works. I just do not trade it on there. So let's go back to Apple. I'll tell you what, I'm even going to add it over here for the purpose of this, so when I keep clicking over, it'll go. So we're going to zoom in to just during the day. This extra gray stuff is pre-market and after hours, just if you guys don't know that. But what we're doing is we're basically waiting for two lines to cross. Now, to some of you, this may look like jumbo. You know, all you guys is got indicators crossing everywhere, and it doesn't really make sense to anybody. And it will. Just stay tuned to this whole video, and I promise you I will make sense of it to you guys in this video. Now, I color-coded these lines now on both of them, yellow and red. Now, what that basically means is when gold is going up, it means the stock's going up. When red starts going upwards and crosses back the other way, it means we're going down. Red is in, more than likely people are losing money. Gold is in, you're going to make money. Now, the difference is, though, is we can make money going both ways, guys, whether you're doing just stocks or you're going to trade options. Now, for most of you guys, options is going to be really the way to go and way more profitable, and you're going to use less capital on this. So I'm going to go on ahead and get my trend line out. Actually, no, we're going to stick to a price line for this purpose. So this is a 50 and a 100 EMA. So this yellow line is a 50 EMA, which means exponential moving average. If you guys need help with studies, you go here, edit studies, and you go here. And when you need to, you get them in here. You can search them here. They pop up, and then you go to settings. And then you go in here and you change this number to 50 or 100 because it won't be able to be at like 9, I think. And then if you want to change the color, it's right here. So I'm going to cancel because you can see mine's obviously done. So now, where are we entering? Well, we're entering when these lines cross, actually. So first 30 minutes of the day, I'm not a big fan of trading, to be 100% honest with you guys. It still works, but I don't like it. So this is gone. Okay, so we're looking at this one. Well, it crosses upwards. Well, here's this, and we'll say at the top of the candle where it's at. So we'll say here. Well, that's $306.28 is where the top of these candles are when it's crossing.
Well, this thing actually runs all the way up to about 50 cents more. Now, I know you guys are probably thinking, well, that's not a whole lot. Well, actually, those 50 cents probably is going to make you anywhere between 3 to 5% on an option. Just being 100% honest with you guys. Usually I can get a 3% whole move on, if the stock moves 3% total, I usually end up making about 20% on options. So with that being said, maybe we don't take that because it doesn't do it, and we're still letting it. You guys still got to let it play a little bit. It comes down a little bit. You can let it play a little bit and do it. But then this huge run pops up, guys. Look at these. Say you don't take it here. Say you take it in here, which absolutely I would have been taking it probably in here and here. I wouldn't have even waited for up in here, to be 100% honest with you guys. This right here would have been every bit of a 10%, if not 15% move. Just because of how much it's spiking, the options are going to just start going crazy and you can make a lot of money. Again, you can day trade this with regular just equity options as well. Or not equity options, but equity stocks, which means you're just buying the actual stock. So boom, you make a good chunk of money here. We're going to clear this draw set. Now it crosses back this way. Now this one would have been a smaller move. I absolutely understand. You still could have probably made a little chunk of change. That's where it is. It gets down in here, you probably could have made 3%. Again, we're shooting for anywhere between 3 to 5% when trading here. I'm not saying you're hitting the bottom, but you sell it in here for, 3% and you walk away with it. Now, again, it starts turning back up here. You see this. It doesn't quite confirm. You have to wait for these candles to close for it to confirm. It confirms. Say we buy it here. And it's doing its little thing, just staying around in here, and then boom. Look at that spike. I guarantee you guys make over 5% on this one just trying to sell it on this one. That's how options work. The options are going to go skyrocketing, and that's how you're making your money, guys. It works over and over and over. Now we're going to go to this chart. Same with Amazon. And I've traded this one. I even traded this one yesterday. I bought a put here. Yes, I know I broke my rule in the first 30 minutes. I don't recommend it. I ended up filling. I did not fill down in here. I ended up selling around right in here, though, because there was resistance right here. And again, guys, support and resistance is not a strategy, but I did sell into the support here and ended up breaking it and then popping back up. Well, when it popped back up, I didn't buy, and I should have. So even if you buy at the very, very top of where these lines cross, you're buying right here, and you still got these giant candles to take you and make more money. And that's how it is. So when you're going upwards, you're buying calls. Calls, you don't want to buy too far out. You want to buy calls that expire within a day or so, and puts when they cross on the red crosses over the yellow, meaning it's going down. And you guys can see that this would have worked multiple times here. This last one, you probably would have just broke a little even here or made just a little bit of money here at the end of the day, and I would have closed that one out as well. If you think it's going to be a time crunch, I won't really take it. If it's going to be a time crunch at the end of the day, normally I'm not sitting at my computer at the end of the day when the market's about to close out, unless I'm going live for all my students and you guys are on here. So that is exactly how this day trading strategy works, guys. You guys know that I'm a big swing trade big day trader, or swing trade trader. I can't talk at all, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm a big swing trader, and that's where I make a lot of my money. Guys, here lately the market has been absolutely crazy, and you haven't been able to make these swing trades like I've been used to. So until this market gets normal, I have been day trading. And again, we've been making very, very good money doing it still. It's just not the amount of money that I was making before all this happened. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching. I hope this helps somebody out tremendously. I hope there's somebody out there that has been struggling, and now you have a strategy that's actually going to work. I have not released this to my students. I'm releasing this on here because it is a higher percentage trade. I have not figured out the exact 100% trade percentage that it actually wins. I know it is in the high 70s, which is an absolutely excellent percentage when day trading. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching. I hope this helps. Leave a comment below saying it helped if it helped. The people, if you guys don't actually put it on here that it helped, then I'm going to probably get rid of it. Thank you guys all for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.